Have you ever wondered what current, voltage, and resistance really mean in electricity? Let's understand these three basic terms in the simplest way. Electric current is the flow of electrons through a conductor, just like water flowing through a pipe. It's measured in amperes A, and it tells us how much charge is moving per second. Now, to make current flow, we need a push. That push is called voltage V. Voltage is the electric pressure that forces electrons to move, just like water pressure pushes water through a pipe. It's measured in volts V. But the flow of current doesn't happen freely. It faces opposition. That opposition is called resistance, R. Resistance limits the flow of current, just like a thin pipe restricts water flow. The relationship between voltage, current, and resistance is given by Ohm's law. V equal to I times R. That means if voltage increases, current increases. But if resistance increases, current decreases. For example, if you connect a bulb to a higher voltage, it glows brighter because more current flows. But add more resistance, it dims. So remember, voltage pushes, current flows, and resistance opposes. That's the foundation of all electrical systems. Subscribe for more simple electrical engineering videos. Thanks for watching.